Hey guys, last little bit of day 7, button things up. I got 2 examples. We'll wrap up the one we just did on the Indian motorcycle. We ended up with T equals 78.6. I rounded up to 79 years, which meant in the year 2024, if it continued on that 3% growth rate, 2024, the motorcycle would be worth $15,000. Pretty good investment. All right, let's do one with half-life, only because it's maybe the form you're least comfortable with. It says EPA determines a certain radioactive isotope is safe around humans when there's less than 2 grams remaining. If there are 150 grams to begin with and the half-life is 185 years, how long will it be before it's safe? Well, I know if 150 cut in half is 75, that's 185 years. Cut that in half, 37, and so on and so on. It sounds like it's going to take quite a few half-lives to get down to 2. So let's solve it. We got amount equals initial 1/2 to the years over half-life power, okay? So in this case, the initial amount was 150 grams, 1/2 to the I don't know years divided by 185 half-life power, and I want to equal 2 grams or less. So this is the equation I'm going to solve. And again, we're pros at this. Variables up, isolate the exponential. 2 divided by 150 is 0.013 repeating, equals 1/2 to the y over 185 power. I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. Could have taken the common log. It's not e in here. And I'm going to do 2 things at once. I'm going to say y over 185 times ln of 0.5, ln of 1/2. So how do I solve for y? Years equals 185 gets multiplied by the left side, 0.013 repeating, and it gets divided by ln of 0.5, and what I got is 1152.3, so I'll round up 1,153 years it would take if that 185-year half-life to turn 150 grams, not a lot, into 2 grams. All right, last one. Very interesting to you folks. This is Mr. D's information. If I gave you mine in 1982, I went to SUNY Potsdam, and I want to say the tuition was like $500 a semester, something crazy like that. Okay, so he said in 1988, SUNY Geneseo's tuition was $1,485. In 2017, it was $6,470. If this trend continues, when will tuition reach $20,000? Well, let's first find the growth rate. We didn't use PERT last time, so let's use it this time. 6,470 equals 1,485. E